In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Shopify Admin Dashboard quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get into your store dashboard in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your Shopify store website. Once your store homepage loads, move to the address bar at the top of your browser. Now, add /admin to the end of your store URL. For example, if your store is mystore.com, you would type mystore.com/admin. After entering the URL, press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Shopify admin login page. Next, enter the email address and password connected to your Shopify account. Once your login details are entered, click Login. If your account has two-step verification enabled, Shopify may ask you to enter a verification code before continuing. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the Shopify Admin Dashboard. This dashboard is your main control center where you can manage products, orders, customers, themes, apps, and all your store settings. And that's it. You now know how to access the Shopify Admin Dashboard quickly and easily. Thanks for watching and happy selling.